Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Pushkar this side, and today we are talking about lead generation. So let me start with something slightly uncomfortable. So WhatsApp is probably your biggest source of leads today, but it's also probably where you're losing most of your leads. So most small businesses don't realize this. They think leads are slow. They think customers are not serious anymore or marketing is not working like it used to. But in reality, the leads are coming. They are just quietly slipping through your WhatsApp. So let me explain what I mean. Think about how WhatsApp works in most businesses today. A customer messages you, maybe they found you on Google ad, maybe from a website, maybe from a referral, and they're interested right now in that moment. But you're not always available. You could be in a meeting, you could be driving, you could be busy with your operations, or it could be simply late at night. So the message just sits there. And WhatsApp has trained people to expect instant replies. So if they don't hear back instantly, they don't wait. They just move on to the next business. But that lead was hot, and by the time that you replied, it was already gone. This happens far more than we like to admit. Now, let's say you do reply. The conversation usually moves slowly. A few messages here, few messages there. Sometimes the customer replies in 10 minutes, sometimes in an hour, sometimes even the next day. In all of this back and forth, something important is missing. Nothing is getting captured properly. The customer's name stays in the chat. Their requirements stay in the chat. Their budget, the urgency, the context, everything is deep buried within WhatsApp. So if tomorrow someone asks you how many leads did you get yesterday, you'll probably scroll over WhatsApp and try to remember. But memory is not a good CRM. It's not a good system. And this is where things get even worse. WhatsApp is not usually connected to your CRM or any organized system. It lives on its own. So businesses are forced into two options. Either you do a lot of manual work, you copy numbers, paste them into Excel, write notes, set reminders, which is good. It sounds good in theory, but practically it doesn't work. Or the second option is you don't do anything at all. You just reply when you can and hope for the best. And if you're being honest, most small businesses end up doing the second one. And this creates a massive information gap. Leads come in, but there's no visibility, no tracking, no follow up discipline, no clear idea of who is interested, who is not. And when you zoom out, this is a serious problem. You're spending money to bring people to WhatsApp. They're coming to WhatsApp through Google ads, Facebook ads, listings, websites, referrals. All of that effort is working. But when they reach WhatsApp, which is supposed to convert those inquiries into customers, WhatsApp is leaking leads at every step. So it's not just leads that you're losing, but you're leaking marketing money as well. This problem is especially bad for small businesses. And one big reason is fear. Most small business owners automatically assume that WhatsApp automation will be expensive. They think it's only meant for big companies with big budgets. And to be fair, that used to be true. Earlier, if you wanted a WhatsApp chatbot connected to a CRM, you had to build everything from scratch. Custom development, you had to hire agencies, you had long timelines and very high costs. But that reality has completely changed. And AI has flipped this entire space. Today, you don't need to build a WhatsApp system from zero. You can start with a ready made foundation and customize it as you grow. Let me show you what I mean. This is a WhatsApp CRM template built on Fusion. Think of this as a ready to use app where your WhatsApp number, chatbot, and CRM, everything converges. So when a customer sends a message to your WhatsApp number, it doesn't just sit inside a chat anymore. A lead is automatically created in the dashboard, a conversation is captured, the context is saved. You can see who exactly messaged you, what they asked, and when they asked it. The chatbot can instantly reply to new inquiries. It can ask basic questions. It can share pricing. It can share brochures or next steps. So even if you're busy, the customer doesn't feel ignored. And what makes this powerful is that you don't need any technical skills to customize it. If you want to customize how this chatbot should behave, you can simply customize your prompt and the chatbot will start behaving accordingly. It will start responding to customer queries accordingly. So you can instruct chatbot that it should do lead qualification, it should handle follow-up messages, and in case of serious inquiries, You can ask the chatbot to send notifications. All of those things can be done. So the system adapts to your business, not the other way around. Now let's talk about cost because that's always an important question. So this is not a very complicated monthly subscription model. You pay a small one-time cost to install this WhatsApp CRM app, and after that you only pay for hosting. That's it. So for most small businesses, this ends up being far cheaper than hiring even one person to manage WhatsApp. Far cheaper and far more reliable than doing everything manually. This is why this setup is a game changer. You reply faster, you follow up better, you stop relying on your memory, you stop losing leads, and you stop any delays in your sales process. WhatsApp stops being chaotic. It starts to work like a proper sales channel. And if WhatsApp is important for your business, and for most SMEs it is, then managing it casually is costing you more than you realize. If you want to see a full walkthrough of this WhatsApp CRM in action, check the video link in the description. For small business owners who want to grow using WhatsApp without burning money or adding complexity, this is one of the most practical solutions available today. So tell us what you think. Let us know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.